Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see SC200 Microsoft Security Operation Analyst Lab 10, wherein we'll connect non-Azure Windows machine to Microsoft Sentinel. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal, and what I'll do is, in this task I will also install AZURE-ARC and connect a non-Azure Windows virtual machine to Microsoft Sentinel. So I'll just, on the portal, I'll look for AZURE-ARC. Here it is. In AZURE-ARC, I'll select under infrastructure, I'll look for servers. Under servers, I'll click on add a single server, add multiple server, add servers from update management. It's in preview. So I'll click on add a single server. I'll click on generate script. It says before you connect your server to AZURE-ARC, here are a few things you will need. To identify and connect a server, HTTP access to Azure services. The server requires port 443 and a set of outbound URLs for AZURE-ARC to properly function, local administrative permission, connectivity method over a public endpoint. Okay, got it. I'll click on next. It says select the subscription and resource group. Here you want the server to be managed with Azure. So I'll go for my Sentinel lab, in which I have a VM. It would be East US, Windows, connectivity method would be public endpoint. It says start physical location tags. I am not marking it as of now. I'll click on next. This is the script. I'm going to copy it and open up Notepad++, or you can open up PowerShell integrated script editor, whatever file you want. I'll save it up on Notepad++. Let it open. Control N, Control V. I'll check again, or I'll click the download button as well so that it is saved on my computer. I'll click on keep. Okay, let me open the file and see. Okay, all right, open it. And it opened up in the notepad. I don't know what happened to my font. Okay, this is subscription ID, resource group, tenant ID, location, auth type, correlation ID, installation package from here, etc., etc. It's quite a self-explanatory script. And you click on. So it says open a PowerShell console to run the script. Run the above script on the server you are onboarding to AZURE-ARC. The script can also onboard multiple servers. Note that those servers will be assigned to the same subscription. Makes sense. Okay, so for this I need a server that is not on Azure or on Azure. So you will go to that server. Let me see. Okay, I have logged on to my Amazon console. It is also Northern Virginia, which is US East. So I'll go to EC2, which is Elastic Cloud Compute. I'll create a VM here and we'll try to run that script onto that AWS server to onboard that onto the Azure Sentinel. So I'll click on launch instance. Everybody here should know. I'll look for Windows, which is this. I'll go for T2 Micro. I'll create a new key pair. I'm making a key pair as lab. So I'll use this to generate password. Auto assign public IP. Yes. Create a security group. Allow RDP traffic from anywhere. I'll mark this as well because I'll delete it after my lab is done. So I don't want anything else. I'll just do launch instance. It will take some few minutes, less than 5 minutes. So this is my instance. So if I'll click and check the status of this in my next tab, I'll see it. It is loading the instances. It'll take few. See, pending. As soon as this is up, I'll log on to this instance using my key pair. I'll generate the password because username is administrator, and then I'll see if I'm able to onboard this after running the script. Okay, in less than couple of minutes, this instance is up. Let me name this Sentinel Lab, and this is the public IP. Click on action, click on connect. RDP client or console. Okay, I'm the root account and I'm not authorized to use serial console. I'll look at it. Let me use the, so it says get password. Upload the private key file. Private key file would be in my dashboard. I'm going to decrypt the password and I'll come back. Okay, this is the RDP file. I'm going to double click on it. Let's give it a few seconds. It will come up and I'll log on. I've already saved my password. Here it is. Connect. It should work. I don't know why, but I was not able to connect to the AWS instance. So I created a VM in my Google Cloud Server 2022, and I will upload that script on the server. Give me 1 second just to give you the glimpse of it. So this is my Google Cloud console, and I created a VM here. It will show you the list of instances that I'm running in Google Cloud. I just set the default name for it. This is Windows Server 2022, and I am connected here. Okay, I am getting the script again. in my resource group. In here, I click on next. I'll just copy the script. I'll download it. I'll keep it. Then I'll go to my server. I'll do Windows PowerShell. I'll run it as an admin. Okay, I'm onto the server. I'll just paste the script here. Here you go. Let me do this. Okay, I'll do run. This may take a couple of minutes. The setup process might open up a new Edge browser. See, as you're installing Azure Connected Machine Agent, it can open up to authenticate to the AZURE-ARC agent. We'll have to select the admin account, wait for the message like authentication complete, and then go back to the Windows PowerShell window. Let me just pause the video till the time it is running and come back. Okay, see, this is done, and they want me to log on to the browser. I am logged on. Authentication is done. I can close this window. It will take few more minutes. 60% done. This is done. So I'll see now. I'll go back to the portal and see if I see that server onboarded here. See, instance 2 is connected and I see that server here. This is pay as you go. Windows, if you click on it, these are the details that you see. That is this 22 data center. Cloud provider is GCP. Manufacturer is Google Compute Engine. So it picks up all the information that you want to see. Okay. Now I'll go to my Sentinel on the another tab. Here, this is the workspace that I created earlier. I'll go for data connectors. I'll click on here. I'll look for Windows security events via AMA. Let me refresh this page again. Here it is. Open the connector page. In the configuration section, this is the data collection rule that I want to create. I'll name it instance 2 because it is for my instance 2 in GCP. Resource group is this. Add a resource. It should load my VM. See, instance 2. I'll select it. Apply. Collect. Review, create. And validation is passed. I'll click on create. This is initializing the deployment. Deployment is create data collection rule. Association is also succeeded. It has successfully installed the extension. Great. And that is how you will connect a non-Azure VM using AZURE-ARC to pull the security events by AMA on the Azure Sentinel. So I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.